last night at 10 p.m, got a phone call saying, hey, we need you as a sweep rider. Do you want to come for a trip up to the tip of Australia? So here we are, Palmer River Roadhouse, Top End Moto Tours. Joe and Lee, the owners, have invited me along to be a sweep rider. Obviously I'm a day late, so we're just here waiting for all the guys to rock up from their first day of riding. Everyone's got their own little tent. They got the most epic truck ever set up, beers, bike trailer. Ooh. That makes me happy. But yeah, we're going to cruise up to a tip, so over the next few days it's going to be epic. Let's bloody go, see you in the morning.
In the day there was like 17,000 gold miners here, and this is like a huge town right here where we're standing. If you just go for a quick walk, that's the old gutter from the main street, and there's little plaques of each store. As you walk down, there'll be like butchers, bakers, little gold stores. Just go for a walk down that gutter and have a quick look. I don't know what the fuck that shed. I think it's a pub or something, that shed, if you want to walk.
We just left the historic mining town of Maytown, and now we're heading towards the Laura pub. I'm going to grab some lunch. This is the old coach road, they call it, where they used to cart all the gold out of Maytown towards Cooktown. It's well worn in, so a few of the boys are struggling a little bit with all the rocks, but I'll try and get some good footage of them. Pretty cool track. Yeah, I'll get it out for you. Have a go. You're alright, you walk to the top. You guys can go that way too. Is day 3. Last night we stayed at Coolabah Station, had an unreal dinner, filled our guts up. Now today's a bit of a cruisy day. We're going to cruise from basically the Han River up to Musgrave now, get some fuel, and then head out towards the coast, come into Cowan for lunch, and then we end up at Archer River. So pulled up. We are Running Creek, I believe it's called. Just paid our money to the llama mob and got our rods and see if we can hook a fish. Yeah, if we don't get chomped by a croc standing there. The top of that's fresh and the bottom's salt, so we're going to go try flicking this salt water. How unreal is that spot? A few of the boys caught some little rat barrows, so that's pretty cool. But, you know, time to keep on riding. Got a lot of kilometres to cover today. Alright guys, today we're going from Arch River Roadhouse through the Frenchman's track, or what they call the drug runners track. So it's going to be wet, boggy, we're going to have to carry the bikes across a lot of creeks, so it should be some action. Let's go. Arch River bridge they've been building for the past 2 years. Apparently the 1st of January 2025 is when they're meant to have it completed, hopefully, but we will see. Still a lot to do. It's a bit wet, a bit of moisture. Oh, don't drop her. Should take the scenic route up the rock. Oh no.
Got more coming out, Tom?
finally here. We're at the start of the Old Telegraph Track. We've worked out we've got roughly 16 creek crossings. We'll have to carry the bikes across. So yeah, fingers crossed we don't swamp any bikes. But let's go and we'll see you at Fruitbat Falls for lunch.
That looks foggy as fuck down there.
We'll go over the bars. Oh, into the wall! Oh! Don't drop your bike. Oh no, oh no! Pick it up! Pick it up! There's always one.
Tom's up!
Fuck, I just don't go straight over the bars, I betcha. Oh no. That is how it's done. Good shit.
What's going on there, Tom?
Fuck, he outdid me.
That's how it's done, Tom, come on! Who's up and look? Tom didn't want to cross the line.
Oh! Celebrated too early. Here, Cockatoo Creek is pumping with water, so I set a bit of a time lapse, got to lift everyone's bikes across and get it up the hill. So just had sausage on bread. Lee cooked up a mad feed for us. Now just walking down to Fruitbat Falls. I'm gonna jump in, go for a swim, wash all this red dirt off. How about there or what? Ready? Yeah. Climb up. Don't do this. Yeah, I got him. Yeah, all good. The whole bridge is held together by these random logs and straps. They want me to ride along this and jump over this hole and then launch across the river. Look how deep it all is, Bill.
A bit more washed out than last time, I think, Tom.
No good, you reckon?
I don't know. There's a croc there.
Hopefully that's not a bike that does that next.
You're an idiot.
Oh, that back's gonna fall in now. We've just woken up here at Loyalty Beach, gearing up, chucking our gear on. So we're doing cruise up to the tip, cruise around to Punson Bay and a few of the other beaches. Last day on the bikes. It has been a big week. Hardest part of the ride. Like someone has shot the someone. Alright, that is it. The trip is done and dusted. Top End Moto Tours was honestly unreal. Could not recommend it enough. If anyone wants to do a trip up to the tip and go through all the tally track and whatnot, highly recommend it. Top End Moto Tours, jump on, book a spot. You will not be disappointed. See you next time.